Tell me, what is a drone? Have you ever met a drone? Sometimes it has many wings. A drone is not a dragonfly. It flies from one roof to another. A drone is not a bird. It has a pouch to carry things in. A drone is not a kangaroo. It can detect Seema's house by the sea and Iqbal's house in the city. A drone is not a spy. It delivers parcels in 30 minutes. A drone is not a postman. Then what is a drone? A drone is a clever machine. It flies. It finds addresses. It takes photographs from up above. It carries parcels from one place to another. Right now, drones are busy learning their jobs. Sometimes they make mistakes. They crash into buildings. They fall from the sky. But there are rules that stop them from flying everywhere. One day, drones will crisscross the skies. They will rush and deliver medicines to villages in the hills. They will count tigers in forests and help protect them. They will photograph hidden corners of our planet. One day, drones will carry biryani from a restaurant to Seema's house. Drones will carry books from the library to Iqbal's house. Drones will fly with birds outside your window. Maybe someday soon you will meet a drone. Thank you.